The Philips Speechlive upload client can be set to automatically upload from recorders other than the DPM series Philips. For example, let's connect an Olympus DS9000. Firstly, connect the recorder to the computer. Check the computer can see the connection. As you can see, it's popped up under Devices and Drives. Now open the Speechlive upload client from the system tray. Open the settings and go to Advanced Settings. Select the manual path definition. And here you can browse for the recorder input. So I go down here, select DS9000 and select folder A, as I will do all my dictations in folder A. Select folder. It is now put in that pathway. Now you'll notice that the drive for this particular recorder is O drive. Now Windows arbitrarily selects drive letters for various USB inputs, and it is possible that you connect your DS9000 and it will select a drive letter, for example E. The next connection, due to other USB inputs, may select another drive letter, making this set pathway irrelevant. So I've gone into choose computer management. Under storage, go to disk management. And you'll see now that the Olympus has been set to drive O. The reason I'm choosing O is because it's further down the alphabetical list and less likely to be selected by other USB inputs. If you right-click that reference, you can see here you can change the drive letter path to a choice of your own. As I said, I am choosing O. This maintains that drive letter for the recorder. I must also remember to use the same USB port every time I connect the recorder. Basic settings are still the same. Connection code has already been set previously. Go OK. Now start up your Speechlive author account in Chrome. Do a short recording on the recorder. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back into the cradle. Pop up, do not disconnect recorder, uploading 1. Upload finished. And as I said, you can refresh. And there is the recording from the DS9000 ready for typing. Thank you.